Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. I am utterly delighted with the results from this sketch. Uh, I would never have been able to do this 6 months ago, let alone a month ago. It would have looked like a cartoon. Everything, the eyes would have been far too big, and this is an improvement within just a week. Yes, I have been practicing, but it just shows you that this effective and efficient learning method that I've applied to the subject that I'm doing, which is obviously sketching, but you can apply it to different topics. It shows you that this effective way, this beg pardon, this effective and efficient learning method definitely does work. It is good speed, creating a feedback loop, providing a quick analysis of where you went wrong, where you went right, what you would improve, what you want to do next time, and incorporating that along with geometric and observational methods. So sketch number 1 took me 3 minutes 20 seconds, 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and this would have taken me at least half an hour, and it still wouldn't have been right proportionally. So I am delighted. Please let me know what you think, and in doing this method, my proportions, as I said, the ratios, the layout, the structure, everything is improving, and obviously the timing as well. So let me know what you think and what you would do, and if you are applying this, and also if you'd like me to explain it further, I would be more than happy to. Thanks guys.